Is it really hot?
Yes!
Alright, thank you so much for the audience participation. Thank you so much for singing that song with us. Is it your favorite song from our EP? Pero pag sinabi ko favorite niyo yung Dam, sisigaw kayo. Tapos sasabihin ko shooting for the stars, sisigaw rin kayo. Eh, ganyan kayo eh. Lahat na favorite niyo. Kasi syempre love niyo kami, di ba? Yes, sir! De, pero 18 from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for coming tonight. Hindi namin na-expect na masa-sold out namin tonight. But because of you, 18, because of you, 18, thank you so much. We really love you. Thank you so much.
Because of you, Habibti. Asa yung Hab 100? Habibti, Hab 100. Sige ko.
Parang narinig ko makalim. Yes! Pero really, 18, are you still guys having fun? Parang it's our third time to be here in Dubai, right? And parang nung nagbinalikan namin, yung first show namin, parang nasa 1,000. And then second show, nasa 2,700, 3,000. And then ngayon, ilan to? 8,000? Ilan? Basta kung ilan yun, yun. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Hindi namin na-expect talaga ito, but we're very, very happy and talaga napatunayan na kaya talaga natin.
Yes! Of course!
Kaya talaga ng Pinoy mag-show. Talaga, maraming salamat. Thank you for your support.
Kaya.
And alam niyo, even
It's our third time here.
It's our what?
It's our third time. So,